Welcome to Wander, Explore, Discover.
Today we're going to explore Richmond in Tasmania.
Richmond is a charming historic town in Tasmania's Coal River Valley. It has a fascinating convict history and lovely Georgian architecture, with many restored buildings dating back to the early 1820s. It is a popular day trip destination as it's only 25 kilometres from Hobart.
If you want more places to wander, explore and discover, subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.
As you wander around Richmond Village, you will see many lovely old Georgian buildings. You'll also find a selection of cafes, bakeries, traditional hotels and art and homeware shops, including a lolly shop and a gingerbread shop.
Richmond Bridge is a heritage-listed arched bridge and is the oldest bridge in Australia still in use. It was built by convicts between 1823 and 1825 and has 4 distinct arches. You can wander along the river, feed the ducks and admire this amazing bridge.
The Richmond Gaol is the oldest jail in Australia. It was built in 1825 and used until 1928. It is now open daily for self-guided tours, during which visitors can see the conditions the convicts had to endure.
The Heritage Walk starts at the bridge, and along the 2.2 kilometre circuit, you will learn about Richmond's significant historic sites.
You can visit Pooseum, an interesting and educational poo museum, and see Old Hobart Town, an award-winning historical miniature village.
A short drive from Richmond, you can discover Bonorong Wildlife Sanctuary, where you can get up close to the Tasmanian devils, wombats, quolls, and you can hand feed the kangaroos.
You can also explore the Coal River Valley. This lovely old wine region has more than 20 wineries and cellar doors.
You can enjoy a cheese platter at Wicked Cheese and browse their well-stocked gourmet food section.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find more information and places to explore at wanderexplorediscover.com.